Where do you come from, please?
I'm new at Vigo. I'm from Peru.
Okay, yeah, that's nice, and I'm so happy for you. You know what? I'm just learning English here on this platform, so that's why I asked two different communities people to be on the Pick Alive.
Well, I think that Vigo is for, I don't know, has a purpose to make friends or something like that.
Yeah, right,
And
right.
I like hear that because
Yeah,
of the,
yeah, all right. And may I ask you, what do you? Are you still a student, or what else you do?
yes, I work and I am a college student. I
Oh,
study accounting and
wow,
I am
beautiful subject.
think
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
it
But
requires a lot of math.
okay, so beside of your study, what kind of work you do?
Well, I work at a cinema.
In a cinema. Okay, so cinema, what kind of work it is? It is editing or producing something. What else? What kind of work?
I am the one that serves food for people.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, just part-time job.
Yes, it's a
Yeah,
part-time job because I study.
yeah, yeah. Okay, but I have a question. So, as you are working in the cinema industry, do you want to be actress, or as you are so beautiful, do you like to get the senses or anything else?
Well, I think that first I would like to improve like a kind of influencer first. But
Mm-hmm.
if comes the opportunity to be, I don't know, kind of actress or being some kind of project, I would
Mm-hmm.
like to be there.
Okay,
For
but
you, I would
uh,
like to
uh,
be there.
okay, that's really so cool. At this moment, as you are studying on accounting department, so what do you want to do in the future?
Well, I would like to have my degree like
Mm-hmm.
on card and put it on my
Yeah,
I don't know how to say this, but I would like to put there.
yeah.
And I don't know if people come, they will see that
Mm-hmm.
I'm an accountant, so they will be very proud of me. I
Yeah,
mean, my family.
yeah.
And after that, I would like to work in a very international company that is called PKW, I think.
Yeah.
That is a great consulting group.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That if I work
Wow.
there, I will
Mm-hmm.
get a job
Yeah.
whenever I go.
Uh, well, so you prefer for getting the job in international level or better than the film industry, because the film industry you work there due to, yeah, to carry your expense, right? What I think, to carry your expense, you do the part-time
Yes.
job. Okay, you are absolutely right. You carry on the study over the accounting. I hope you will do a better. Even your English speaking is really far, far more better than any other. Whatever I think. So you have a brighter future. I have a question. How many siblings in your family?
I'm an only child,
Only
so
you are only one.
yes, I'm an
Oh,
only child. So
good. Okay, so you are the queen in your family. Queen in your family.
yes, I'm that queen family.
Okay, that's really so cool, and I'm so appreciated for you that I have got such a beautiful friend from Peru. How is your country's economy?
I think that Peru is the most kind of, it's like the highest in South America
Oh,
because Argentina
really?
is with a lot of hyperflation,
Mm-hmm.
and the other countries are like kind of low. So Peru is the well has the sol peruano that is
Yeah.
the
Mhm. Yeah.
is the top.
Yeah, get it. So, get it. So it's good enough for economy section in Peru. That's really so good. And do you like to travel?
Well, I would love to travel, but I've never been out of my city. So,
Okay, so if
yeah,
you
when I
get, yeah, but if you get any signals to go outside for traveling for visiting, so which country do you want to prefer for first time?
well, I think that first I would like to visit New York City to see how they do on Christmas. I would like to go to Paris.
Oh, really? So first of all, I think you have to be self-established and finish your graduation, get a better job, have a better life. You have everything. You can accept every kinds of in your life because you have a good vibe. The vibe is really so better, and is speaking a very good quality. And so have a better future. Thank you so much. Have a good day and
Thank you.